sip of light from wisdom's open sea. It builds the soul, through striving leads the way. Within our hearts, the quiet visions grow, and onward to a higher dawn we go. One sip, and with it all our echoes flow.
In this immense universe, there are things that do not merely seem strange, they seem to challenge chaos itself. Things that when we look at them, make us feel as though nature did not shape them randomly, but that there may be a deeper secret behind them than we imagine. And in today's episode, we are not standing before an ordinary galaxy, nor before a familiar cosmic scene. We are standing before one of the most puzzling astronomical objects, an object that made scientists pause for a long time before its shape, its symmetry, and its mystery. It is a discovery that places us before a fascinating question. Did everything in the universe truly emerge from chaos? Or are there things that seem as though they were designed with an almost unbelievable precision? In this episode, we will approach a captivating cosmic mystery, a mystery that does not only inspire visual wonder, but also opens a wide door to reflection on the greatness of this universe and the secrets that still lie hidden in its depths.
We typically see galaxies forming through chaos. Massive systems of gas and gravity violently crash together, tearing themselves apart to create something new. Notice the symptoms of this violence here: the long, warped tail of gas and scattered, disorganized pink star-forming clusters. This is standard, gravity-driven galactic evolution. But in 1950, astronomer Arthur Hoag identified a celestial body that completely ignored those rules. Take a close look at this image. This is Hogue's object. Instead of twisted tidal tails and scattered debris, we see a symmetrical, circular ring. It raises an immediate question. How does a universe governed by gravitational distortion draft a structure with this much geometric precision? While we have mapped millions of spiral and elliptical galaxies, Hogue's object stands alone, refusing to fit into the standard categories used to classify the rest of the known universe. To understand the mechanics of this anomaly, we need to break it down into its separate layers. We start right in the middle with this central sphere. It is composed entirely of ancient yellow stars. Then, isolated at the edges, we have the outer ring. This section is populated strictly by massive, young blue stars. Over billions of years, gravity acts like a cosmic blender, typically mixing stellar populations together. Yet here, the young and old stars are kept entirely segregated. The boundary separating these two groups is incredibly sharp. There is no gradual fade and no overlapping edge. The components are organized into distinct compartments, bypassing the chaotic mixing we expect from gravity-driven systems. But the strangest physical property is what sits between those two stellar populations: absolute nothingness. This empty void spans an incredible 70,000 light-years. You could drop a massive portion of our own Milky Way right into this gap without touching either side. The primary scientific explanation for a ring shape like this is called the bullet theory. It suggests a smaller galaxy pierced straight through the center of a larger one, sending a ripple of energy outward to form the ring. If we look at this image of a known collision, we see exactly what that process leaves behind: immense gravitational shredding, loose gas, and messy structural damage. Now examine Hogue's object again. Notice the pitch-black space around it and the smooth inner edge of the blue ring. The gap is pristine. Furthermore, the smaller bullet galaxy required to cause the impact is nowhere in the vicinity. Hogue's object is completely alone. Without wreckage or a visible impactor, the most logical explanation for this shape simply isn't supported by the physical evidence. The final, most improbable discovery is actually hidden straight through the empty space of the void itself. If you scan past the stars and look deep into the background of that 70,000 light-year gap, focus right here, on this tiny cluster of pixels in the upper left quadrant. That is another entirely separate ring galaxy, framed neatly inside the first one. Observing a single system completely devoid of chaotic mixing is already a massive statistical outlier. Spotting a second one, visible perfectly through the empty window of the first, tests the limits of probability. Seeing these exact geometric structures nested like this suggests that the universe has mechanisms for creating precise symmetry without relying on collisions. It acts as an observable reminder that intense cosmic violence isn't the only way a galaxy can evolve. Floating out there in absolute isolation, Hogue's object remains a perfectly drawn blueprint that we are still trying to read.
And at the end of this episode, Hogue's object remains one of those cosmic structures that inspires not only wonder through its beauty, but also deep reflection on the greatness of this universe and the precision of its design. When a person sees such astonishing symmetry and a form that seems so far beyond the ordinary, they realize that this universe is far wider, stranger, and deeper than we imagine. Phenomena like this always remind us that what we know is only a small part of the truth, and that behind this beauty, this order, and these mysteries, there is a great creator who perfected his creation, fashioned it with excellence, and placed within this universe signs that invite the mind to reflect and the heart to believe in the greatness of the Lord of all worlds. And no matter how far science advances, and no matter how many secrets of the heavens humanity uncovers, we will always remain amazed before this cosmic magnificence, reflecting on it and realizing that such a grand creation can only be the work of a great creator. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you do not miss any new content. Glory be to you, O Allah, and praise be to you. We bear witness that there is no God but you. We seek your forgiveness and repent to you.
A sip of light where ancient wisdom flows. Through ancient wisdom flows, through endless space, the human spirit grows. Within our souls, the seeds of thought take flight.